Okay guys, my cap and my cap is ready, and I'm sorry guys, I did not show the part where I did my lace sewing, how I sewed the lace, but I'm sorry, in my other next wig braid I'm going to show you how I sew my lace. So stay tuned and relax and watch. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. As you all know, it's Ada Beauty Skincare. I'm into skincare and also I'm into hair care tips, guys. So today's video I'm going to be making a wig, and this wig is for me. So guys, I'm using three color. I'm using 33, color 1B, and color 27 because I like colored when it comes to hair. I don't like black color on my hair. So guys, you can use your crochet needle hook, but I'm using needle. It makes the hair to be professional and it makes the hair to look so neat. So guys, this is what I do. I just pass my needle in between my wig cap. Yeah, I pass my needle in between my wig cap and I cut the remaining and keep it because I still have to use it also. So guys, then I will take my hair and I pass it in between the thread, and then I'm just going to tie it. So I do tie mine into 2 or 3 times, so it's depending. You can tie yours once or 2 or 3 times. So then what I do next is to divide my hair into 3 parts. So guys, I will just take little from one part and take another little from the other parts, this making it 3 part hair. Yeah guys, this making it 3 part hair, and I make sure to to moisturize my hand. So guys, now I start to weave my hair. And guys, if you're weaving your hair, to make sure to braid very neat. Let your braid to be neat because this is not something you're going to make and take off after some weeks or some months. This is wig cap, you can use it for years. So your braiding has to be neat, and make sure to braid to the tips of the hair. Make sure that your braiding is up to the tips of the hair. So if you can twist, it's better. If you can twist, it's better. So for me, I make sure that I braid to the ending of this hair because I want this hair to be professional. So guys, after braiding, I just go ahead and I take out the excess hair from the braiding so that it will be neat. Yeah, this is what I do. I do it instantly, but you can do yours later, but I prefer to do it instantly because uh I don't want any untrimmed hair to be left outside. So guys, this is, yeah guys, so I just continue doing the same thing. Pass my needle through the wig cap and put my hair, divide it into 3 parts, and I start to braid. So this is how I do it, guys. I braid and I trim. I braid and I trim, guys. So this is super easy for those who cannot braid, do normal braiding hair. So this is super easy, guys. It is easy. Just continue watching and learn something from this, guys. Okay guys, now I'm at the front where I have my lace wig sewed. So I'm at the front where I have my lace wig sewed. So guys, when you get to the front where you have your lace wig sewed, so you have to be really careful. You have to be careful. This part is so delicate, and this part is the main style of this braiding, so you really have to be careful when you are braiding this side of the hair. It has to really look neat and it has to be smooth. So I just put on my thread. I put the thread already, guys. So now I'm braiding. Hope you're learning. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. So make sure to subscribe. I'm into skincare products, care tips, and I do makeup tutorial, and also the dress code for a party, wedding, church, and different type of dress code. I also do that. So make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. Okay, guys, I'm done braiding. So let's give it a try. Just watch me and leave your comments below. So guys, my wig is ready and I'm going to rock this wig today. So this is the finishing parts of this wig. You can see how beautiful this wig came out. You can see how this wig is looking professional. Of course, it's a professional wig. So guys, leave your comment below, share this video, and make sure to subscribe. Yeah, yeah.